how to spoon bend from an amazing lady called Jenny Funkmeyer. Yes, that's really what she was called, Jenny Funkmeyer. I learned how to spoon bend from her. So that was 9 years ago. I haven't done it since because, I don't know, I didn't really think there was an awful lot of spoon bending kind of, what's the word, need in my life. So I kind of forgot all about it. Anyway, I'm going to get back into it. So here is my spoon. Now, as you can see, it is a metal spoon. You can bend it a tiny bit, but not, you know, not much. So I'm going to give it a go, right? Now, what you have to do, step one, is you have to say, I believe I can bend this spoon. So I'm going to tell the spoon that. I believe I can bend this spoon. And then you have to instruct the spoon to bend so it knows what to do. Spoon, bend, bend, bend. And then you have to wait for a window of opportunity. That sounds really weird, but it's like a window of opportunity where you just know that the spoon has given you permission. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to wait. It's not bad for my first go. Before, I could really get loads of spirals in, but yeah, that wasn't too bad. So what has spoon bending taught me in life? Well, once you know that your beliefs are flexible, you can generally play around with them. So it's kind of like using your mind in a completely different way. When you learn how to bend your own reality, reality starts to bend around you. So rather than you trying to fit into your world can be a good fit for you. That's what I've learned from bending spoons. So, thought I'd just share that with you. Have a good day and enjoy the sunshine. Bye.